All of you in the media, may kukumpara lang ako sa inyo, ha? Ito, but I will not show it to you because wala pang permission from our client. Ito yung complaint na isinampa laban kay Governor Espino. Wala pang 10 pages eh. 4 pages lang eh. Affidavit lang. Ito, yung sinampa laban kay Mr. Braganza. Alright? Documented with pictures, documents, vouchers, budgets, accomplishment reports, COA reports. Obviously, ito, heavyweight. Ha? Ito, pinweight. Paperweight to, paperweight. Bali, wala.
Another project po na nakaduda-duda ay yung Alaminos City Hotel. Naibigay po yung proyekto na to. Nagkaroon po ng groundbreaking dito as of December 2010 pa dun sa Barangay Lupa. At may project po ay may contract price na phase 1, 34 million or more or less 35 million pesos. Galing po sa DBP loan. Again po, yung kontrata ay naibigay kay RR Encabo Constructors. Ang duration po niya is 180 calendar days lang po or until June 2011. Papansin niyo po dito sa picture, as of January 4, 2013, phase 1 of the project is not yet complete. Sabi po nila, still ongoing and only 80% accomplished as of November 2012, yung phase 1. Ngayon po, nanghihingi na po sila Mayor Braganza at yung mga kasamang respondents ng additional funds for the purchase of the equipments, furniture of the hotel amounting to more or less 6 million pesos. At naaprubahan naman po yun ng mga aliadong councilor ni Braganza na sinama rin po namin as respondents in the case. Kahit hindi pa po tapos yung proyekto, yung first phase ng project, ini-endorse na po ni na Mayor Braganza sa 2012 Supplemental Annual Investment Program ay yung phase 2 ng project na may kaukulang contract price na naman na more or less 35 million pesos. So habang hindi pa po tapos yung unang proyekto, humihingi na po sila ng budget para dun sa phase 2. Magtataka po kayo, bakit sa RR Encabo ulit na ibigay yung allegedly yung phase 2 ng project? Despite the fact na hindi po sila nakakapag-perform dun sa kanilang kontrata.
Alright. Under COA rules and under government procurement rules, pag isang contractor hindi nakakapag-perform, pino-forfeit ang kanyang performance bond at bina-blacklist siya. And yet, itong RR Encabo, where the chief architect is the brother-in-law of yung respondent dito, hindi nila blacklist. In fact, minonopolize na lahat ng mga proyekto.